Hey, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday, the 9th of April, 2020. It is 5:03 a.m. here in Vietnam, local time. This video is a quick look at my 12-hour high probability charts with the new candle was 1 hour and 3 minutes ago. Actually, it was up at 4 o'clock, but I had to wait for a whole hour for some of the spreads to come in, mainly on the Euro Aussie. But not much has moved, so it's not much damage done. So let's have a look at the charts here. This is my watch list on the right. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than it was yesterday. I've added a few more pairs. The ones that are highlighted in blue are the ones that have got open trades. The ones without highlights are the ones that have no trades, and the ones in orange are the ones I'm going to discuss in this video. It's the ones I've taken some action on this morning. So let's start with the Euro Aussie. You can see any of these videos, you can just pause and read my notes on the right here. They generally cover the trades from left to right, so from top down. So I initially took a buy in here. The buys are by the blue lines, designated blue lines, vertical and the horizontal solid lines. So you can see the buy was in here. As I said, you can read my notes. The numbers are on the side here, and this is TradingView. So I took a buy, went against me. The buy, I drew this trend line across price here. It broke the trend line. I took a second buy on the trend line break. So I was put myself in a high risk sort of situation with no downside protection. It didn't go up like it should have at all. The MACD platinum is still way below the zero level, which is important. It's come down. Here we've got a sell signal today. It's not a valid sell signal because with sell signals, the sell has to be above, the MACD platinum has to be above the zero level, but I have to protect this position. So I've taken a hedge sell trade. So it covers everything. It's the two other trades for 0.02 and 0.06. So this hedge sell is 0.08. So I can't lose anything at the moment. I'm locking in a loss between these two buys and this sell. So ideally, it doesn't matter if it goes down, goes up. I'm only going to lose money on the overnight interest rate or the swap. So now I'm just waiting for another buy signal to try and clear some of these trades. So that's why it's overall break even, not applicable as hedged. So it's the Euro Aussie. I seem to be taking a lot of hedges on the 12-hour charts at the moment, which means probably things are setting up for potential good profit. It could also mean a world of pain for a few days. I don't know. So we'll just wait and see. New Zealand CAD, similar situation. It's a hedge. It's in a sell here, designated by the red. And I've taken a buy this morning, a hedge buy. So I'm locking the loss between the sell and the buy. Read my notes there. Overall break even, not applicable as hedged. The MACD platinum still above the zero level just. So come down, could have probably considered getting out of the sell, but it popped up nicely. The trend is down. The MAs, that's a 240 LMA, 100 and the 50 EMA. So trend's sort of down, so I'm happy to hedge it. And you'll find there's not much pips between those two trades. Probably, what's that, 87, 13, 30, maybe 50 pips or so between those two. So it doesn't take much to make up on the 12-hour charts. New Zealand USD. Oh, that's right. I was going to try my other microphone this morning. Forgot about it. Now what? New Zealand USD, similar story. Took a sell here. When you see these red trend lines like this, or you see green, they signify divergence. In this case, red is bearish, green is bullish, obviously. So you can see here I've written hidden bearish divergence. I love my hidden bearish divergence. I'll always try and work my way out of them. So this was hidden bearish divergence in here. Lower highs on price, higher highs on the oscillator, the MACD platinum, well above the zero level, came down, didn't get anywhere near the zero level. Now we've got this buy signal, which is not a valid standalone buy signal because the MACD platinum's above the zero level. And we've taken a hedge buy, locking in a loss between the red and the blue line, which is a little bit hard to see because I've got this green line in here. This green dashed line is the 0.6000 level. Big sort of number, big level. So that's it for that's another one that's hedged. So as I said, a lot of these, especially these Aussie pairs up here, I think they're all hedged. There's a lot of hedge trades at the moment. So we're setting up hopefully for something good. So all of these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet in Google Docs, in Google Drive. That link to that spreadsheet you can find in the description to the video. I've already updated it this morning as I was waiting, so it's all up to speed. And that's about it, guys. If you like the videos, please hit the subscribe button or at least hit the like button, and I will chat to you later. Thanks for watching. Cheers.